Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, on the Bitcoin chart, we can see that the market pulled back into this orange support region. I think we talked about that already in the last video. And actually, I updated the chart earlier today, published a signal to our gold members or for our gold members, and I highlighted that the 100% extension here at 60,670 is a key target for Yellow Wave C, and I'd like to see the price get there. I'm not sure if we talked about that Fibonacci extension level in the last video. Maybe we did, maybe we didn't. So the price did follow and did get to that key level here. By the way, I only will look at the intraday chart here. Tomorrow we can look at the daily chart again. In my first video earlier today, I also covered the daily chart, by the way. So if you're interested in the greater context, feel free to check out that video. This is really just here a, let's call it an end of the day update, because we have seen something that, yeah, you might call wave A to the upside in the larger fourth wave that we discussed. So this is basically, the idea is that this is a corrective rally, which consists of an A wave, a B wave, which might get another low, and then a C wave up. And the C wave then would complete wave 4. And I'm still going to watch for further downside as long as the price stays below 65,335, which is the top of the resistance area for this wave 4. Ideally, it doesn't even get there. I mean, for a fourth wave, even in an ending diagonal pattern, which this is, the price shouldn't even break above the 50% fib level. Normally not. But it can, of course. In a diagonal, no problem. But normally I just use the 61.8 fib level as a buffer zone. So we have also some trend lines on the chart here. They provide resistance at the moment, especially this one here. I would pay attention to when the market moves higher, it gets into the resistance area. Let's say the middle line here could offer some resistance around the 62,626 level, and the one above around the 50% fib retracement at 63,966. So these are the parameters to watch in the coming days. At the moment, what is important is this micro support area. We talked about that in the previous video for sure. Not sure about that target zone, however. But the micro support area, B wave support for the yellow B wave here, is defined between 59,358 and 60,971. And I'm going to watch for further short-term, further upside continuation in this wave 4 before breaking down then, as long as we're holding above 59,358. In simple words, the idea that this is a corrective rally and will form a larger wave 4 is plausible as long as the price is holding above 59,358. A sustained break below that level will make it more likely that we take the direct pathway to the downside without that C wave up. Now, zooming in further, we can see that the market, yeah, it did get close to that 100% extension level. It didn't quite touch it. Let me just double check if we need to redraw the fibs here. It came very, very close. Anyway, I think close enough, target reached. It's just that I haven't got a reliable reversal now. Now, what we have seen is that on the smaller time frame chart, the market broke above a trend line. So that could indicate a break of structure and that this next move up has started. But what's happening here isn't convincing. Will be interesting to see how the market fluctuates around the daily candle close. We're not there yet. But this is a place for reversal, either directly or maybe after one more low. Could get one more low, absolutely. The next level of support will be 60,690 and then 60,496 and 60,390. So what I would say is, if you've already entered a long position, maybe with a stop below the last low, don't be surprised if we get a wick down or something and then it runs, because this is classic, right? I mean, we have a break of trend line. A lot of people will have jumped onto a trade. Okay. Now a lot of people will have set the stop below that level. Now, what the market loves to do is to take those stops and then go. Yeah, there is plenty of space still, okay? And even the white target zone, which is an ideal target zone for wave C in wave B, reaches down to 16,210. So if you get stopped out, all I can say is maybe your trade idea is correct. It's just that don't get spooked if you get stopped out and it runs. Maybe you want to re-enter. That's up to you, of course, just my thoughts around this. But yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.